Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the top 5 best foot creams in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these best foot creams you can check out the description below. So let's get started. Number 1. ELEMIS Treat Your Feet Foot Cream. Eliminate dry, rough heels, calluses, and more with this foot cream from ELEMIS. Its formula packs a punch with shea butter and jojoba oil to moisturize and keep your feet feeling ultra soft. The best part? Only a small amount of product is needed with each use, so it'll last you quite a while. Fragranced with a blend of patchouli, eucalyptus, and lemon oils, it leaves a delicious, yet not overpowering scent. Number 2. Eucerin Advanced Repair Foot Cream. When you want to nourish your feet without breaking the bank, reach for this foot cream. Its ability to deeply hydrate, thanks to ceramides, while also breaking down rough or calloused skin has earned its fan-favorite status. It's also a favorite of Dr. Shah due to its ability to hydrate and smooth dry, rough feet. This cream is formulated with ceramide-3 and natural moisturizing factors that enhance the skin barrier, and it's fragrance-free, making it great for sensitive skin. Number 3. Foot Cream, Burt's Bees Moisturizing Lotion for Dry Skin. Hear us out. While the Burt's Bee Lip Balm may have a permanent spot in your bag, you'll be pleasantly surprised with their foot cream. Formulated with a mixture of coconut and olive oils, its consistency is thick yet feels more like a balm, allowing it to give a hefty dose of moisture with each use. And its light, refreshing scent of peppermint and rosemary only adds to its appeal. Number 4. L'Occitane Shea Butter Foot Cream. Shea butter, the hero ingredient of this product, has long been known for its ability to instantly hydrate skin. Only a dime-sized amount is needed to go a long way in moisturizing, which is why this foot cream should be in everyone's arsenal. While other rich formulas may have you sliding across the floor, you'll watch in amazement as this one sinks into the skin in seconds. The cream's soothing lavender scent essential oil scent is a bonus too. Number 5. AmLactin Foot Repair Foot Cream Therapy. Knock out pesky calluses with this foot cream from AmLactin. Its formula helps heal any calluses, splits, and cracks with just a tiny bit of product. Another bonus, its formula is non-greasy and fragrance-free, making it ideal for use on everyone and avoiding sliding all around your house. Dr. Shah is also a fan of this cream as it contains lactic acid to help moisturize and exfoliate.